Hey guys, my name's Sanuchi, and today we're making tomato pork vermicelli noodle soup. This recipe only takes 10 minutes to make and is absolutely delicious, so let's get right in. For this recipe, you only need 5 ingredients and 5 spices. You need 50 grams of instant vermicelli, 1 green onion, 3 pork shoulder rolls, or any type of meat you have in hand, but preferably with more fat, 1 to 2 tomatoes, and a handful of greens. Any green is fine, but spinach is what I recommend. I use dandelion leaves here. You don't have to, you can just use any greens that you like. First up, we're gonna dice up the tomatoes and then chop the greens into smaller pieces, including the onion. Heat up some oil on high heat and then fry the tomatoes for around 40 seconds until tomato chunks soften. Then we're gonna add in the pork shoulder rolls. Your meat doesn't have to be soft, it can be straight out of the freezer like I'm showing you here. Just flip it around a bit to mix with the tomato sauce. Then we're going to put the vermicelli directly into the pot. If you're using regular vermicelli or any other type of noodles, you can cook it before you put it in so that the meat will not overcook after we add the water. Now the water is boiling, we're gonna add 1 teaspoon of chili flakes, 3 tablespoons of light soy sauce, and a drizzle of sesame oil. You can also leave this for the last step. Then we're gonna add the greens and onions. Mix it around a bit. Add some freshly grounded peppers. And then this dish is ready. You can serve it with some freshly chopped green onions, or you can add any other toppings that you would like. Because we cooked the tomatoes on high heat before adding in the water, the soup will really soak in the tomato flavor and the meat flavor. This is a great option for a casual lunch or dinner at home. And you can also make it for your friends or family in a get-together. It really is a very simple and versatile recipe. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. This is actually my first ever YouTube video here on Sanuchi Cooks. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel for more videos to come. And follow me on Instagram and use the hashtag Sanuchi Cooks if you decided to try out my recipe. And I will see you next time. Bye bye!